Hello, everyone, and good day to all of you. Uh, so, today is my day 25 of my 90 days Go Run Success Challenge, and today's topic is embracing the learning curve. So, how do you embrace the learning curve? This is a success challenge that I took a few days back, and I'm proud and grateful to God that I am able to do it. I am able to continue doing it. I am an educator by profession. I have a very busy schedule, but I want to do this. I had taken up this challenge and I had made up my mind. And with the help of my family, my husband, and not forgetting my God first, with my God's help, I am able to do anything and everything because He makes every impossible things possible. And I believe I always call myself as a child of God. So today's topic, let me not waste time and tell you all about embracing the learning curve in everything that you do in life, uh, whether you start as a professional in an office. When you start, um, you don't know so many things in an office, so you slowly steadily learn. So in the same way, I want to share my example of how I embraced the learning curve when I joined this digital business. As I told you all that I am an educator by profession and I did not have any business knowledge or business skills. And I started this business because of my family. That is my why to start this online digital business, because it gives me all the flexibility to do this business alongside my full-time teaching job and a responsibility of being a mom and doing other things apart from my job. So when I started, I did not have any business skills. I was scared, I was skeptical. So when I started, I was at the rock bottom here, low down, but my belief, my why was so strong that I wanted to do it. I wanted to learn. Even when I started this, I was almost, I was like 40 plus when I started this. I started this couple of years back, this online digital business. And I'm so grateful and thankful to God that I came across this digital opportunity. So, as I told you all, that when I started this business, I had no experience. I'm not a tech savvy person. I had challenges, but as I told you, my why and my desire to learn made me learn so many skills that I have learned today, and the confidence to come out over here and share how I embraced my learning curve in my business. Uh, like I have not left anything, like, no. I wanted to learn, as I told you all, that I wanted to learn, and that desire made me learn things step by step, slowly but steadily. And I believe that learning never ever stops. I always say that. And I have been learning every day through this digital business. I am mastering the skills still, and I am proud that I have come out of my comfort zone. And even this video that I'm making is an achievement for me to speak here, making a video and talking about my how I am doing, how I am learning, how I am growing in my business, and how I am slowly but steadily growing and climbing up the ladder to the success ladder in my business. This learning curve has not been easy for me. There were challenges, there were difficulties, but with my that why and the spark that I had, that fire in me, that made me go ahead and learn all of the things in this business. And I'm so proud that I believe that no journey is easy. Everything that you do, every profession, any profession that you are in, or if you start anything new, you need to start from scratch. So I started from scratch. A very beautiful example that I want to give. Um, you all is like being an educator, I want to give that when a child comes into a school, the child is like a soft clay. So they come in, and we as teachers, we mold them, train them, teach them things, and teach them values. So same way, when I entered this business, I was like a little child. I didn't know anything about the business skills, and I was scared and I was skeptical. But then I did it, and I am here, a proud digital business owner and a mentor. And I am glad that I took action, and I'm proud of the steps that I've taken and the way that I'm growing, and my learning curve is slowly getting like going up towards my success, slowly, gradually. And I'm really, really proud of it. And I'm proud of all the achievements that I have achieved through this digital business, the confidence that I have gained through this digital business, and the personality growth, and having a positive mindset to believe in myself. And the one thing that kept me going is, as I told you, is my why, and believe in the system that I am part of. So I am really, really grateful and thankful to God for what God has done to me through this online digital business, and through the support of this amazing digital business community, and my family, to my mentors and my coaches for always being there and guiding me and supporting me. And this is how I embrace, and this is how I love and embrace my learning curve. And I'm really, really excited to see new success and new achievements in this digital business. And this, due to this digital business, I have got more confidence even in my professional life, and more confidence in talking good things to my children, positive things into their life. It's not that I was negative and I have been a very bad mother. No, I I have in fact become a better person to inspire people and motivate and support people. So you can see how I have gradually grown, and I'm growing and growing each and every day. So this is what I want to share about my learning curve in my digital business and in my personal life. Has been really huge, and I am really proud and happy about what I am doing. And yeah, that's what I want to share with you all. And so I'm very happy that I am completing my day 25 of the 90 days Go Live challenge. And I'm sorry, not Go Live challenge, because I've done Go Live challenges before. So 90 days Go Run Success challenge. 90 days Go Run Success challenge, and I'm going to do it, and I'm going to complete it, and I'm going to see victory. I'm going to see victory in my business, and in the name of Jesus, I'm going to see victory in whatever I am doing, and I'm going to make myself proud and my family members proud. So thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Have a great, wonderful day ahead, and weekend is soon approaching. Have a great, wonderful weekend too. God bless you all, and see you all. Take care, and bye bye.